there, I'm Sanketa and welcome to SK Productions video editing series. In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this reveal text effect. Grab the text tool and move to Program Monitor. I will type travel. It will create the text layer. Select that layer and press V on keyboard to get the selection tool. Then move anchor point to the center of the text. Go to Essential Graphics panel and align text to center. If you can't see Essential Graphics panel here, then go to Window and click on Essential Graphics. Now we will create the line. Deselect the layer, then grab the pen tool and create a line. Then go to Essential Graphics panel and click the checkbox for a stroke. We will also change the stroke size to 30. Grab the anchor point and move it to the center of the line. Now we will duplicate the line. For that, simply hold the Alt key on Windows and Option key on Mac and move it to up. Let's hide second line for now so that we will be able to see the changes on first line. We will add few keyframes to scale to make the transition smooth. Select the layer, then move to Effect Controls. Click on stopwatch icon to create the keyframe for scale. Then move that keyframe few frames further. Create another keyframe and lower the scale to 0. Let me move the text layer back just a little bit and bring those line layers forward so that we will be able to see the line animation clearly. Select the first line and in Effect Controls panel, click on the small arrow to go to the first keyframe. Then copy the scale effect. Unhide the second line and select that layer. In Effect Controls panel, select the scale and paste the attributes. Now both the lines are moving together. Next, we will create animation for their positions. Select the first line layer, go to Effect Controls panel, click on the stopwatch icon to create the keyframe for position. Then move few frames further and create another keyframe and move that line up. Click on this arrow to go to the previous keyframe. Then select second line layer. Create keyframe for position. Select first line layer and click on this arrow to go to the next keyframe. Then again select second line layer. I'm doing this because I want my playhead position exactly where my first line's keyframes are. So both lines will move at the same time. Go to Effect Controls and move the second line down. Now we will duplicate our text layer. Select both line layers and move them up to make a room for second text layer. Hold Alt key on Windows or Option key on Mac and move the layer up to duplicate it. Let's hide the first text layer for now. We will create mask on second text layer. Go to Effect Controls panel. To create mask, grab pen tool. You will find it under opacity. Create mask. We will just cover the upper part of the text. Then click on stopwatch icon to create the keyframe for mask path. Again click on mask. Select one point of the mask and then hold shift and select second point so that we will be able to move that line. Now move the line down. Now we will select the line layer and click on the small arrow to get the next keyframe position. Then again select second text layer. Click on mask. Select both the points and move that mask line up to the white line so that it will reveal the text. So the animation will look like this. Now we will create mask on first text layer. Unhide the first text layer and now hide the second text layer. To get the keyframe's position, select the line layer and go to the first keyframe. Then again select the first text layer and grab the pen tool to create the mask. This time we will cover the bottom part of the text. Create the keyframe for mask path, then click on mask. Then select bottom 2 points and move that line up. Select text layer to get the position of next keyframe. Select this small arrow to go to the next keyframe. Then again select first text layer. Select mask and select 2 points of the mask line and move that mask line down to the white line. Now unhide the second text layer. Let's check the animation. We see this gap on the text, but we can fix this. Select second text layer. In Effect Controls panel, change the mask feather to 0. Also select the first text layer and change its mask feather to 0. Now we will adjust the mask of second text layer. Select the layer and then click on this arrow to go to the last keyframe. Then click on the mask. Select one point of the mask and hold Shift and select second point and then move that line down a little bit. Adjust all the layer sizes. Now go to the beginning of the line layer and select first line layer. We will add few keyframes to opacity. Move to Effect Controls panel. Create keyframe for opacity. Now click on the small arrow in front of the scale to get the exact position of the next keyframe. Then create keyframe for opacity. Go to the first keyframe and change the value to 0. Copy the opacity attributes. Then select second line layer. Click on opacity and paste those attributes there. Now we will add blur effect on the movements of the lines so that animation will look more natural. Go to Effects, look for Blur. Then select Gaussian Blur. Drag and drop that effect on the first line layer. Then go to Effect Controls, click on this arrow to get the position of first keyframe. Then click on the stopwatch icon to create the keyframe for blurriness. Again get the position for next keyframe by clicking this arrow. Create another keyframe for blurriness. Then go to first keyframe and change the value to 20. Now move a couple of frames back and create another keyframe and change the value to 0. Now copy the Gaussian blur effect. Select the second line layer and paste those attributes there. Let's check the result. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please like and subscribe to the channel and feel free to share your comments below. I have more video editing tutorials on my channel that you can follow. Bye for now. See you next time.